sure I take it off.
Triceratops.
No Triceratops. You rolling, Pete?
Mm-hmm.
Okay, what's that one called?
My daddy's favorite dinosaur.
Your daddy's favorite dinosaur? Is that the name of it? Is that a Rex? And then this
That's
one?
a T-Rex.
That's a T-Rex. And this one?
It's another T-Rex.
Okay, so we're going to pull that off, and then you can take it home. Ready? Okay. Do you want to try it? See if you can get it? Right. Okay, so I'm going to try the... There you go. That's yours. Okay, so see this right here? We're going to do that with Isabel, and that side line. Sandwich the baby between your hand and hold that page. I'm going to get the teddy bear and show you what we're going to do. Okay, so see this bear? That's about her size, right? So we're going to put it on its side like that. We're going to rub here and have one hand on the tummy. And that is going to look like this. So if you can get up, Pete, so you can see this diagram. Here we've got a side line. And then this one, we can have, and we can effleurage with the baby on the back. Your job is to hold the book down. Good job. Okay, let's see what the next picture says. Okay, there's ringing. We're going to go like this. Ring, ring, ring. And then let's see what we got after that. Extremities. And let's look for leg pumping. We've got legs. We've got more legs.
Toes.
Oh, yeah. So we'll go with the toes and we'll go like this. And we'll get right in between the toes. But let's look and see. Digestive, I think this is it. When we're doing the digestive stuff, we're going to do an effleurage like this. We're going to go around and around the tummy like this. And then we're going to ring back and forth. But we've got some leg pumping in here. Let's see. You don't have any projectile vomiting?
Not really.
Okay, here we go. See the tummy? We've got the digestive system going up and around like that. And then we're going to, here we go. We're going to put both knees up and go forward and down. I'll switch. You can do that and I'll hold the book. So, and we can put your dinosaurs right there. So hold both and then go right up, push, yep, at the same time. So push both knees in like that. Try that. So that's called 2 at the same time. Then hold this hand with this and this one. And we're going to do alternate. So put your hands right on mine. Okay? Here we go. 1, 2, 1, 2. And then we got both together. Push. Both together. Push. And then we got one, we're going to do a little circle like this. And we're going to go round and round. So we're going to try all those 3 on Isabel. And
there's you, Christine.
there is, yep. Okay, so do you want to get your baby sister organized? We can put a sheet out. Should we put a flannel sheet? Boy, this is a soft one. Abigail, put this one down. She's just about ready for getting rubbed the right way.
I hope so.
Mm-hmm. And it doesn't matter what she does. It's all good. And this we can get warm.